Guys, today we are going to link PayPal to our e-commerce platform. So if you have an e-commerce platform or a multi-vendor e-commerce platform, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually link PayPal to it to start collecting payments with PayPal. PayPal is actually a very popular platform, so it's always good to have it integrated, especially if you have a good PayPal account and you want to enjoy the benefits that come with it. So it's simple. So this is my e-commerce platform, right? So before I go ahead to show you exactly how to link it, so if you just, let's say you add this thing to cart right now, and you go over to checkout page, right? This is a website I created. If you want a website like this, I make so many videos about it. If you want us to do it for you, you can also reach out. My email is in the description box below, so you can reach out to me and we can set up this thing for you. So once you get to this page, just enter all of the information that is needed, and then you can place this order. So because I've not entered any details, it will not go. But what that means is, right now when we go to place an order, we can actually integrate PayPal here. So instead of just seeing this message, sorry, it seems there are no available payment method, we are going to see PayPal. So let me show you how it's done. So all you just need to do is to go to the back end of the website. Okay, so this is the back end of this website. So right here we just go to e-commerce, is WooCommerce, and a lot of plugins are already installed, right? So in creating the website, so all we just start to do now is to go to add new plugin. So the plugin we want to add is PayPal for WooCommerce. Okay, so since we already have WooCommerce on the site, we need to integrate PayPal WooCommerce integrations onto the website, so that way we can actually make use of this PayPal integrations to collect payments from PayPal. So we can actually install, as you can see, WooCommerce PayPal payment. This is by WooCommerce, and you can see this payment plugin for PayPal WooCommerce payment plugin. This, you can see different people create different PayPal integrations, but the one we're going to use, this one, we're going to use this one by WooCommerce, since it's the people that created the platform we use to create our e-commerce platform, which is WooCommerce. Okay, so once you install it, you go ahead to activate it. Now after you've installed and activated, there are a few things now that you need to do, right? So keep watching as I guide you on those steps. So now we've installed and activated it. Right now we need to do some other stuff. What can we do? Come over to WooCommerce here. Come over to here, WooCommerce, go over to settings. Now once you go over to settings, then we can continue. Come over here to payment. So click on payment. Once you click on payment, we are going to have some of all these options. Okay, we let that set up so that we can show you. So now we have this pop-up that have, okay, this one is actually from WooPayment, so we're not using this. Maybe later video I can talk about this, but we're not using this. But this is what we're using. So wait, let me look for it. Dismiss this, please. So all of our payment integrations to be here will be here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yes, exactly, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So now we have these options. Okay, we can accept payments from Woo, which is WooPayment, which is not what we were doing. But look at the PayPal that we PayPal plugin that we just installed. As you can see, pay with PayPal. Now it says action needed. That means we need to do some setup. Okay, so what are the setup? What we just need to do is to click on this complete setup. So it's going to take us to all the steps and everything we need to do in order for us to add our PayPal to this WooCommerce e-commerce platform. So this is PayPal, and it says here, welcome to PayPal Payment, your all-in-one integrations for PayPal checkout solutions that enables buyers to pay via PayPal, Pay Later, all major credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. So very easy and very easy to do. So what we just need to do now in order to activate PayPal payment is to click on this large button there that says activate PayPal payment. So once we click on it, it's going to bring us here. Is it a personal or business account? My account is actually a business account, so I just select business, and then I'll continue by clicking on this continue section, and it says tell us about your product. About the product you sell. Simple. What kind of product do we sell? For now we sell virtual products. They don't require shipping. So this actually method is actually going to help your PayPal account stay Stay safe, and follow all the stuff that PayPal needs. Okay, so if you are selling a physical product, select physical products. If you need deliveries, if you are selling subscriptions, you select this. So after that, just click on continue, and then as you can see, it says complete your setup. To finalize your PayPal payment setup, please log into your PayPal. If you don't have an account yet, no worry, we'll guide you through on how to create an account. So now, if you want to complete this step, it's simple. I'm not going to be linking my PayPal because this is actually not my e-commerce platform. This is an e-commerce platform that I just set up for that I'm still setting up because I'm not done for a client. So what you just need to do now is to click on connect to PayPal. So it's going to bring this pop-up, and all we just need to do now is to enter our PayPal details, and that's it. Once you enter your PayPal details right now, it's that's it. That's connected, because it's going to take all the connections and bring it to your e-commerce platform. So when people make payment with PayPal, they receive notification, and you also receive notification. So right now we just need to enter our email address and the country. So connect a PayPal account to start accepting payment. It's free to connect whether you have an existing PayPal account or want to create new account. So right now it's simple. All you just need to do is to enter our PayPal details and continue, and then this thing will link up. Now I don't want to do this, but I don't know if I should do it, because with this step, once you get here and you do this step, it's supposed to work like 100%. There's nothing stopping it from working. Now the reason why I don't want to link my PayPal, I already told you this is not my account. Okay, so assuming this was my account, I would have done just go ahead to link it, but it's not mine, so there's no need linking it and unlinking it in order not to have issues with my PayPal, because I don't want to have issues with the PayPal. Okay, but some of you guys are asking me how to do this. As you can see, this is how simple it is. So just enter your PayPal details, go to next. The next screen is going to ask you to enter your password or the like. So you enter your password, and boom, your account is going to be linked. Now once your account is linked, what you're going to notice is you're going to see a successful message. And once you have that successful message, once you come to this section, instead of seeing this sorry, since there's no payment, there's not available payment method, you're going to see your PayPal integration. So your clients can pay with PayPal, and if you're running a multi-vendor e-commerce platform, you can also pay out on PayPal, and your shoppers, your clients, people that want to buy stuff from you, can actually pay with PayPal. So it's pretty much simple. Maybe next time I'll talk about Stripe, I'll talk about some other ones which are very, very popular as well. So if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you always turn on the notification icon so that you won't miss videos like this when I drop them. So this is exactly how you set it up. Doesn't require anything crazy. Okay, so I'll be in the comments if you have any questions to answer all those questions. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.